Hey guys, my name is Big S681. What's going on? I'm in Minecraft. I'll be joined by my friend Fnaf Fan 021. And in this video, we'll be making this van right here. So what you'll need is a block of coal, a stone slab, a wood slab of your choice, stone button, gray carpet, a lever, ladder, tripwire hook, string, light gray carpet, black stained glass, or you can use regular glass, a sign, painting, iron bars, a rail and a minecart, which is optional. We also need cobblestone and cobblestone wall, along with white, red, and gray concrete blocks, quartz slab, and a quartz stair. So we'll start off over here. Put down your wheels. So you have a 1x2 gap like that. Make a ring around it with the stone slabs, and then put your wood slabs in there and the buttons for the rims. You'll be slowly making one alongside me. Alright, so you don't need those anymore for right now. Now you want to get out your concrete blocks and your stairs and slab. Let me help him out a little bit. He's a slow learner. You want your blocks like this. One in the middle in the front. And I guess he's going to be making multiple vans. A couple quartz stairs in the front, round that off. Upside down ones above the back tires. Another 4 on top of there. Get out your glass. Alright, then you need your slabs on top of all this part in the back. So you're done with those right now. Then you're going to need your string, and I prefer using light gray carpet on this build, but you can use white carpet if you prefer. Cover that up with the carpet. And then we're going to start with some details. Put a ladder on the front for the grill. Some door handles on the sides there with the tripwire hook and a button. Like I said, he's a slow learner. You're going to want to put a couple buttons on the back here, along with a iron door. Get a sign, put that down for your license plate. That's pretty much the van done. If you want, you can leave it like this, or you can put some windows in the back there. But we're going to leave it blank because we're going to be transforming it into the news van. Another option you can do, if you don't want the minecart for the front seat, you could just leave it as gray carpet. Make sure you have a button so you can get out. Putting the button on this side actually. Alright, so then you want to get your red and gray concrete. Nope, you don't want that. You want to put your button back there, make the stripes there like that. Red, gray, red, and gray. Just like that. And you want to get out your cobblestone wall, and your iron bars. And your sign once again. Place them like that. You want to place an iron bar on the top of the wall and on either side of the wall. Sign in the front. That would be your antenna array, or you can place those however you want. Somewhere to go do details inside. You want to get your minecart and your rail. This is actually optional, but we're going to use the minecart in here for a seat. And then we're going to get some paintings, stone buttons, tripwire hook, and a lever. You want to get, I'm using the city texture pack, so I got these computer monitor screens. If you don't have these, then you don't have to do these. You can do other random paintings. Alright. You can put another one on this side, across from that one. There we go. We're going to place a lever here, a button there, and tripwire hook right there. And just to light it up, we're going to put a torch right here. And that's, I think that concludes your news van. Be close enough. So that's your van. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one.